So I uploaded 75 videos to YouTube in a row and I haven't stopped. I don't think I'm going to stop neither. I'm going to continue until I can no more. But I wanted to show you the results just in case you're trying to do daily videos. Welcome to the channel. Make sure you subscribe and let me know what you think down in the comment section below. And I'm going to tell you the number one thing that you're going to learn if you try to do this. It's going to take time. 75 days is not going to be enough. In my opinion, it takes hundreds of videos before YouTube actually realize your channel, actually start pushing your channel out there. So don't be surprised if you spend 300 good quality videos before you see something solid. Again, it's a debatable topic. A lot of people say this many, that many, that many, but the reality is that it takes a lot of videos before you start seeing good results. I heard this one time and it makes totally sense. The more videos you have, the more doors you have, the more opportunities you have. So let's share my screen and let me show you what we got. So here's a content creator tool channel, and I started hardcore in the channel back in August 4, I believe. And I did a search right here. You can see it right here. August 4th to August 17th, and during that period we got 25,000 views, we got 530 hours of watch, and 97 subscribers. Like I said, this was a pretty new channel. I uploaded a couple random videos, nothing to do with YouTube strategy and things like that, or content creation. I was just uploading some things in there, but again, I started getting focusing in this type of content back in August 4. But if you see this, we got 159 subscribers and it's going up. In fact, you see here we got 982 views in the last 48 hours. So anything for 450 to 500 views a day, that tells me that there is momentum, right? That tells me that it's growing. This is a marathon. This is not something that is going to happen right away. So that's telling me that people are watching my videos and it continues to grow. Just about 2 weeks ago, it used to be about 600 views every 48 hours, and now I got a little bump. But again, if I look at some of these videos right here, you can see that some of these videos that I posted is videos that I posted before I actually started focusing in the content that I'm doing right now. Like this computer, these things right here, this phone cases right here, really, it wasn't the main purpose that I had. So for example, this video right here, the Autobox Trusty case, got this many views, 945 views, but really is not the focusing of this video. So again, some of the videos that are getting views and bringing that traffic into the channel, it's not some of the videos that I've been pushing lately. So that tells me that some of those videos it's gonna take a while, and I totally get that because I do have another channel, and in that channel some of my main videos are videos that I did like 5 to 7 years ago. So it does take time. I'm not expecting any of these videos that I'm doing right now to get any views right now. I'm expecting to start getting views months from now. In fact, if you look at some of the videos that I got right here, I've been working a lot in my thumbnails and you can see it. But for example, you know, some of these videos right here don't have that many views. You're looking about, 8 views. This one right here has 255 views, which is how to do it on TikTok. And again, 20 views. So these videos are not getting a lot of views. I tried to get into the new DJI OM6 because I know it's new, and I tried to get some views on that one. This one's pretty good. Like this one has 309 views. The one right below 131. The one right below 103. So I did kind of catch a break with that because it's a new to the market, and I tried to kind of make some views into that. But again, some of these videos right here is not going to get a lot of views. I'm expecting maybe about 4 to 6 months from now they may be getting views. So actually the ones who are getting views are videos that I did a while ago. For example, I posted this video right here May 5th, this one June 23rd. So what do I got to report after 75 days? Well, it's simple. Some of those videos that I have done, I still haven't got any traction, but it's expected. But I have gotten more views, I have gotten more time watch, and I have developed a system that allows me to record videos faster, right? As you do more videos, you get better at it and you are able to produce content easier, right? So again, the channel is going in the right direction. I definitely think that posting more videos, like you see, is going to bring views, it's going to bring time watch, but it's just going to take a little bit of time. But the biggest thing that you're going to get out of all this is developing a system that allows you to make videos fast. I've been kind of like perfecting my system to be able to sit down here, record, edit, and post. I'm actually doing this video today. I will post it today, and it doesn't take me that long because the repetition has allowed me to get better at it. Subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.